areas, that still needs, and we need also woningen for those people as well. So I can imagine.
Exactly, and that's what a lot of people forget. Is like our infrastructure is not really made of having so many hotels.
No,
that's not really the best.
No,
just say it.
Yeah.
No, I think we're outgrowing like the way everything is. Like you said, we need more people for the hotels, and not only the hotels. I mean, with the hotels comes the restaurants, comes the water sports, comes like everything that the tourist brings as well, because there are gonna be more tourists.
Yeah.
So eventually, I think you would need also more employees at the airport. The airport is also expanding.
Correct. Capacity there is pretty full as well.
Especially on a Saturday.
100%.
Yes.
Yeah, so a lot of things to do, and so these are the things that basically are happening at the moment at the chamber. So I created the plan, the connecting with the business community, connecting with the government. I'm very happy as well that my previous presidents, they basically already did a lot in the last couple of years.
Nice.
And what we have seen is that every year a new president came, and then the vision changed a bit. That's not my idea. I really want to build on top of what they already have been built. They're still in the board, Monica Kok and Gabo Manzour. So they are still supporting me and helping me wherever they can. And besides all of this, the chamber is super busy as well, because we do more than 30 trainings and workshops per year.
Wow.
We have an annual business seminar. So we're helping and supporting the business community as well, a lot with trainings.
Okay, nice. Well, good luck with the presidency.
Masje dankie.
And I think you're going to do a great job, and I'm excited to see what this year has for you, and also KVK.
Of course.
To see the growth of everything.
Thank you so much for having me here.
No problem.
Thank you, Diederik. All the best.
Thanks, Lito.